Hello, and welcome to today's webinar, Deep Clean with doTERRA. I am so excited for today's event. Using doTERRA essential oils to clean your home will allow you to take your health to a whole new height. But first, a little about me. For those of you that don't know me, I am a wife and mother of 6 beautiful children. This is a photo of my family and I recently in Florida. I am a licensed independent clinical social worker with my own private practice of counseling individuals and families for over 20 years. I have been a doTERRA wellness advocate for over 4 years. doTERRA's essential oils and supplements have improved the life of my husband, myself, and our 6 children in so many different ways. I have also seen many individuals and families have amazing improvements to their health and life by using doTERRA's products. Today, I will be reviewing a few specific oils, then I'll share some do-it-yourself cleaning tips. Are you ready to get started on deep cleaning with doTERRA? But first, are cleaning products safe? How many of you have cleaned with a product and had a headache, eye irritation, or coughing while using it? I know I have, especially when cleaning the bathroom with popular bathroom cleaners. Why is this? Have you looked at the labels of your cleaning products? Many products are loaded with toxic chemicals that can be harmful to your family, home, pets, and the environment. These chemicals can give off fumes that may irritate the throat, eyes, or lungs, trigger headaches and fatigue, irritate the skin, pose a safety hazard, or affect the body in other ways. I have experienced this. Fortunately, there are many ways to clean surfaces in your home without using harsh chemicals. Cleaning with natural, non-toxic cleaners is healthier for the environment and everyone in it. You can buy all natural, non-toxic cleaners, but you can also create your own natural cleaning products with everyday household ingredients like baking soda, vinegar, water, and essential oils. An added bonus when cleaning with essential oils is that you will also experience and enjoy the aromatic benefits essential oils provide. Let's talk about some of those oils now. Lemon and lime. Lemon and lime are great citrus oils that help purify and cleanse the air and everything around it. They can be used as natural cleaners throughout the home. Cleansing with wild orange. Wild orange is another great citrus oil to cleanse and purify surfaces. Putting a few drops in your own all-purpose spray will not only add a great cleansing boost, but a refreshing aroma as well. Douglas fir and Siberian fir are also great cleansing and purifying oils. These oils deodorize the air and leave a fresh, piney scent on surfaces. Eucalyptus is refreshing and cleansing. Combine eucalyptus, lemon, and peppermint with water and vinegar in a spray bottle and use it to wipe down surfaces in your kitchen or bathroom. Tea tree or melaleuca is well known for its purifying properties. Add a few drops of tea tree to a spray bottle with water and use on surfaces to protect against environmental threats. When diffused, tea tree will help purify and freshen the air. Purify Cleansing Blend is comprised of lemon, Siberian fir, citronella, lime, tea tree, and cilantro. This blend is especially designed to dispel unpleasant odors and purify the air. Who doesn't love peppermint? Peppermint is refreshing and rejuvenating. It repels bugs naturally and creates an invigorating atmosphere when diffused or used topically on surfaces. doTERRA On Guard Protective Blend is made up of wild orange, clove, cinnamon, eucalyptus, and rosemary essential oils. It provides natural protection against the environmental factors and overall cleaning capability. doTERRA On Guard can be diffused to clear the air or used topically on hard surfaces. On Guard is a powerhouse for cleaning and protecting your home. In fact, there's a whole product line using On Guard. The collection of On Guard products include laundry detergent, cleaner concentrate, hand sanitizing mist, throat drops, toothpaste, foaming hand wash, mouthwash, beadlets, and On Guard soft gels, as well as a roller bottle already diluted with fractionated coconut oil. All these products you can provide for yourself and protect yourself and your family from the inside and the outside. Let me share a little bit more about the cleaner concentrate. The On Guard Cleaner Concentrate is an environmentally safe, non-toxic cleaner that you can use to clean your home. It is a multi-purpose cleaner that can be used for anything from kitchen counters to bathrooms to dishes. This cleaner is fortified with doTERRA On Guard Protective Blend. This one cleaner does it all. You can dilute this yourself to your preferred strength, which will cut down on waste and reduce the number of bottles you need to keep around the house. Just a note, at the time of this webinar, some On Guard products from doTERRA are temporarily unavailable due to the increased demand from the coronavirus outbreak. Please check the doTERRA.com site for availability. If the product you are looking for is not available, choose another great essential oil that I have just mentioned that can clean and purify your home just as well. Just find a scent that you love and get cleaning. But what will you clean first? What about your diffuser? A diffuser is a great way to purify the air with any of the previously mentioned essential oils. But it too needs a cleaning every so often, especially when you diffuse oils like On Guard, which can leave your diffuser looking a little brownish orange inside. It is recommended that you deep clean your diffusers once a month or as needed. Do so by the following steps. For water-based diffusers, turn your diffuser off. Fill the water reservoir halfway to the line with clean water. Add 10 drops of pure white vinegar to the water reservoir. Turn it on and let it run for 3 to 5 minutes, allowing the vinegar to disperse throughout. Drain the water reservoir completely. Dip a cotton swab in white vinegar and wipe down the edges of the water reservoir, as well as the ultrasonic mist chip. Rinse the water reservoir with clean water, then wipe the reservoir with a dry cloth and let it air dry before using it again. What about cleaning your kitchen appliances? Cleaning the fridge and microwave can be two of the most difficult chores around the house. Caked on food, mystery stains, and questionable smells can make this a dreaded cleaning job that gets put off until the last minute. For me, that's before my mom comes over for a visit. If you need a little help, try this do-it-yourself refrigerator and microwave cleaner featuring lemon essential oil for an easy job cleaning and refreshing aroma. The ingredients include vinegar, hot water, and lemon essential oil. Combine the ingredients in a glass spray bottle and spray the mixture inside of the fridge or the microwave, then scrub and wipe clean by using a damp cloth. What about your stovetop? The stovetop is often home to some of the biggest and toughest stains in the kitchen. Splatter from spaghetti sauce, leftover grease, and caked on residue can quickly cover the stovetop, leaving you to scrub away the grime. For a clean stove in less than 20 minutes, try this essential oils stovetop cleaner. The ingredients include baking soda, table salt, apple cider vinegar, water, and PURIFY cleansing blend. Stir all the ingredients together until they form a paste and spread it over the stovetop and burners. Leave it on for about 15 minutes or longer for hard to remove stains. Using a sponge, scrub the mixture into the grime. Remove excess cleaner and wipe the surface clean. If there's an odor in your kitchen, the garbage disposal might be the culprit. With everything that goes into the disposal, odds are that odors are accumulating in there. Try this simple do-it-yourself recipe to make your own garbage disposal refreshers that will help freshen and clean and deodorize your garbage disposal. Ingredients include the baking soda, table salt, water, liquid Castle soap, and lemon essential oil. Combine the baking soda and salt into a boil. Combine the baking soda and salt into a bowl. Add Castle soap and essential oil into the mixture. Add water 1 tablespoon at a time while stirring with hands until it forms into the consistency of damp sand. It should stay together when you press it together. If you add too much water, just add some more baking soda and salt until the consistency is right. Grab a tablespoon device and scoop packed spoonfuls onto parchment paper. Once the mixture has been scooped, let it dry for 24 hours or until they are hard. One batch should make about 36 garbage disposal refreshers. Put into a glass jar and use it the next time you do dishes. Just put 1 to 3 refreshers into the garbage disposal and turn it on. You will immediately smell the refreshing scent of lemon essential oil. Do you want a natural air freshener? Commercial air fresheners can bring many unnatural aromas into your home. There are, however, completely safe and natural alternatives to help keep your home refreshed and smelling wonderful. Besides using a diffuser, you can make your own air freshener that has only 2 ingredients, baking soda and essential oils. Put 1/4 cup baking soda into a small mason jar. Add 5 to 6 drops of your favorite doTERRA essential oil. Recommended oils include balance, cassia, geranium, eucalyptus, lavender, lemon, On Guard, purify, or wild orange. Put a piece of fabric on the jar and seal with a jar band. To keep an area smelling fresh, place the jar on a solid surface and shake often to activate the fresh scent. When the scent starts to fade, simply add 2 to 3 drops of essential oil to the jar. But what about the bathroom? Cleaning the bathroom is not an experience people look forward to very often, and I am one of them. Being stuck in a small enclosed space with harsh chemicals not only makes it hard to breathe, but it can also be hazardous to your health and your family's health. Ingredients include baking soda, unscented liquid Castle soap, water, vinegar, and lemon oil to make your soft scrub cleanser. Make it in small batches and store in an airtight container. This is enough for 2 to 4 applications. This soft scrub is excellent for getting rid of soap scum, removing stains, and brightening your tub, tile, and toilet. To use, just apply and let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes and then scrub. Once done scrubbing, take a wet cloth and wipe it clean. This is also great to use when cleaning your kitchen sink or your refrigerator. Is it cloudy outside, or do your windows need a cleaning? This do-it-yourself essential oil glass cleanser is affordable, easy, eco-friendly, and doesn't include harsh chemicals like store-bought cleaners. It can be used on windows and mirrors. Ingredients including a spray bottle, water. Ingredients include white vinegar, distilled water, and your favorite citrus oil added to a spray bottle. Recommended oils include lemon, lime, grapefruit, wild orange, and citrus bliss. Just add the water, vinegar, and your essential oil to a spray bottle and shake. Spray on surfaces and wipe clean. So we've cleaned the kitchen, the bathroom, and the windows, and we have the house smelling nice, but what about the furniture? Wood furniture is an investment that needs to be cared for and maintained. Although polishing wood furniture should only be done every few months, it is important to continually keep the wood clean by dusting or wiping it often with a damp microfiber cloth. Bring back the shine to your favorite tables, chairs, floors, and other wood elements in your house with this simple recipe for homemade wood polish with doTERRA essential oils. Ingredients include olive oil, vinegar, and essential oils. Add olive oil and vinegar to a glass spray bottle and add 10 drops of an essential oil. Recommended oils include wild orange, arborvitae, or lemon. Shake well before each use. Apply to a microfiber cloth and wipe wood surfaces clean. Repeat every 2 to 3 months or as often as needed. The following references have been referred to in making of today's webinar. These include the do-it-yourself tips from doTERRA.com and essential oil product information on the specific oils, again on doTERRA.com. Please visit them for more do-it-yourself tips for other services in your home. All right, that's a wrap. Thank you so much for joining me today. I can't wait to get started on some spring cleaning for myself and for you to share your favorite do-it-yourself tip with me. Helping others experience the power of nature is one of my favorite aspects of being a wellness advocate. If you're interested in learning more about helping others experience the power of natural living, let me know. Please post or message me with your questions or comments. I can be contacted via email or by Facebook. Again, I thank you for your time and your commitment to improving your health. Have a healthy and safe day.